Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do a raised treble back stitch, or in US terms that's a raised double treble back stitch. I'll link a video to a raised treble front in the description below, but really it's exactly the same as a normal treble stitch, but the difference is your positioning of the hook. So normally when you work into your next stitch, you work underneath the little V at the top of your work like so, but to do a raised stitch instead you're going to work around the post of the stitch that the pattern tells you. So for example, if we're starting here and we want to work around this post, instead of going through the top, we're actually going to go around the post. So in a front, you go front to back, and you can probably guess what we're going to do for the back. We're going to go back to front. So I'll just show you the position. So the stitch you want to work around with your hook, I've just taken the yarn off for now. You're going to start at the back of the work, come to the front, hook through to the back around the post. Now can you see I've gone around the post and it's pushed the stitch that I'm working on around, to the back, and you'll see why that's going to create a certain lovely texture in a minute. So I'll show you all together now. So yarn around the hook as if you're doing a normal treble stitch, and using your finger to hold the yarn on the hook, take your hook to the back of the work like there and push through from back to front before the stitch you want to work around. Then take your hook from front to back like so. It might feel a little unusual here, but fundamentally we still have our two loops and this is the work. Here's your yarn round hook, and pull through the whole way from this bump. So it might be easy if I show you this way. You're going to pull through there like so, and then you'll see as usual you've got 3 loops, and you're going to finish your treble in the normal way, through 2, through 2. And can you see what it's done is put the stitch at the back of the work. So I'll show you again. Yarn round. We're going to work around this stitch next. From the back to the front, from the front to the back around. Yarn round. I'm going to show you from this side now. You're going to pull the loop through and it's going to come all the way through. So pull through, watching, there we go. Up. 1, 2, 3 loops, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. And there you see. And if I show you a little closer, you can see the stitch is going around the stitch below it. And what it does is create a bit of a ridge on the front and raised stitches on the back. Just ignore my yarn tail there. So I'm just going to take you through to the end of the row just so you can see how this looks. This stitch is most commonly used together with the raised treble front, because what it does is create what's called ribbing, which is great for the edge of blankets, particularly the edges of hats and garments. Creates a really lovely stretchy fabric that's got a lot of texture. And last one, and that is a row of raised treble back. So can you see it creates a bit of a ridge at the front, and all your stitches are raised at the back there. And there you have it.